So for today, I'll be sharing a super easy and fresh pink natural makeup look that's perfect for everyday wear. It's soft, blushy, and enhances your natural features without going heavy on contour or bold shades. First off, the highlight. So I'm just adding a bit of glow. This is Misslyn Cosmetics number 4 Sugar Rush. Just a touch on the nose tip and chin for the fresh, dewy highlight. For the eyes and cheeks, I'm using Peripera number 1 Prestige Pink for both my eyes and cheeks. I love using the same shade for a monochromatic effect. It keeps the look soft and cohesive. I'm also adding some pink eyeshadow on my waterline to give my eyes a brighter, more playful touch. Then, I'm placing a bit of highlight on the inner corners of my eyes to make them pop and look brighter. For my cheeks, I'm using the pink blush in the center. It makes me look naturally flushed, like I'm really blushing. To make my cheek sparkle a bit, I'm using the highlight in the center of the palette. This gives the cheek that radiant dewy glow without overpowering the look. Now I'm doing a little Aegyosal, though honestly, I'm not that good at it. Still, it adds a cute, youthful vibe under the eyes, and even a subtle touch makes a difference. For the lips, I'm going in with Barenbliss number 4 Brave Enough. This shade ties the whole look together just with the right pop of color. Lastly, I'm taking my eyeliner and drawing a subtle slant towards the inner corner of my eye. This little detail gives the eyes more definition and adds a soft lifted effect without being too bold. And that's it, a quick and easy pink natural makeup look, soft, blushy, and perfect for everyday wear.